Greetings. In this quick video, I want to show you how to pour in laundry detergent in any washer. It's fairly simple to do. Now, it doesn't matter what brand that you have. This particular one is Arm & Hammer, but you might have Tide, you might have Gain, you might have a generic brand, but they're pretty much straightforward, and you don't have to be exact. So, of course, you want to fill your washer with clothes, and depending on how many clothes you're going to put in it, it depends on how much detergent you're going to put in it. Now, there's a product that I'd highly recommend. It's called Shout. So if you have any stains, you can actually treat a stain. It's got oil or something like that, mud, and then you put it in there like that, and then you can let it soak in there for an hour before you do your wash. So it is good to treat your clothes beforehand. So as you can see here in this washer, I have a pretty large load, so that means that's going to be more detergent that I'm going to put into it. Now, you can pour your detergent in two ways depending on your washer. So this particular washer, we're just going to pour it in directly. However, there are some washers that have little containers here, like a little storage area where you pull it out, and it'll have a thing where you put your softener, your fabric softener, and then your laundry detergent. And you would pour your laundry detergent in there using your cup. So, being that this is a larger one, now you could read the directions on the back. It'll tell you to be exact of how much you have to pour in it. So, for example, on this one, you're going to see little numbers. And as you can see there, there's 2. So for small to medium, you would only have to fill it up to here. And if it's heavily soiled, you could put more. You could probably put it up to here. Or the more clothing you have, the more detergent you want to have. So I have it about large to medium. So let's go ahead and pour our detergent into our cup here. And this particular one has the spout on it, but normally you could just undo it like that and pour it in like this. Of course, with this Arm & Hammer. And you don't have to be exact with this, so even if you're off, it's fine. And there's some people that will actually wash their clothes without detergent, believe it or not. They just do it with warm water. All right, so if you do not have that little reservoir that I was telling you that has the little tray over here, you could just pour it on directly and go around like this. And that should do it. Now, a fun little tip, if you do have a container like this and you already emptied it all the way in, what you can do is for one final load, you can pour hot water in here, put it in there and shake it, and then pour the contents into your washer, and you can get like another load out of it because they're so concentrated. All right, put in the comment section what brand of laundry detergent gel that you have, liquid. Do you have Arm & Hammer like me? Do you have Gain? Do you have Tide? What exactly do you have? Do you have a generic one? Now, if you do have a generic one, a cheap one that you got, like at a dollar store, you might have to put a lot more in there. So, you get what you pay for. So you might actually have to put like 2 of these in order to equal 1. All right. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.